Hello, welcome to Williams Crawford 2025 Walkabout Wednesday, and we've got plans. And today I'm going to talk to you about some of the plans we've got, but specifically about some of the plans you might have and how we can help with them. So follow me round. I'm going to show you a few little things whilst we're doing it, and let's see where we go. Well, you know how it is, best laid plans and stuff like that. We've done a bit of dreaming. I've done this myself. I do it all the time. Over Christmas and New Year and so on, come up with really good ideas, exciting plans, and you find that halfway through the year, you've forgotten half of them. You haven't got time to activate the other few. And the last ones that we do in a big old hurry. So we changed that a bit this year, and I'm going to share with you what we can do to help you as well. Now we're having the lobby rebuilt. It's already had a beautiful design by the girls at AMI, A-M-I-I, locally, a design studio. Carla and Eloise done a super design, and we'll be really pleased to show you, proud to show you what that looks like when it's complete. And we're also redesigning the showroom and the workshop here to make those spaces that much more attractive and comfortable. So I've sort of let you into the first part of the secret as to how to get these things done, and that's to announce it in public that we're doing it, and then we've got to really do it and come through with it. So for you, if you've got some idea that you might want to buy, sell or change your Porsche at some point in the year, please get in touch with us now and let us know. You wouldn't believe how frustrating it is sometimes when we have a man dressed from head to toe in bright yellow walk into the showroom looking for, you wouldn't believe it, a bright yellow Porsche of some particular thing, and then a week later we bump into someone that had one in their garage and we didn't know about. And it works in reverse as well. So what I'm saying is, let us know what your plans are, whether it's for today, whether it's for next week, next month, in the summer, at the end of the summer, or whatever. If you're thinking that you might want to buy one, sell one, or change one, these cars, each one is so unique that really a lot of business we do comes about because we know that we've got Susan who fancies a brown something, and then later we come across someone, or we have them in our database, that they actually have one that they might be thinking of selling, and we put the two together and it makes three people happy, which is brilliant. So we do some other stuff as well, which is enter motorsport events, and already we've signed up to go to Spain, we've signed up to go to France, and we'll be dotted around the UK doing various rallies, sprints, hill climbs, maybe even a race or two. And if you'd like to come along and join us at any of them, abroad or here in the UK, whether it's to say hello or be chief windscreen cleaner, then get in touch. You're very, very welcome. We'll also be doing a number of track days where we can help you enjoy, without the fear of cameras, your Porsche to whatever extent you want to enjoy it, and whether that's gently drive around or go around at a higher pace. That's what these nice track days are for, that we take part in. Also, there are overseas sort of touring holidays to the Pyrenees and the Alps, and then there's some in the UK, and they're run by friends of ours, companies that we we are friendly with, that we know take good care of customers. And again, if you're interested in that, get in touch and we'll try and connect you to the right people. So whatever type of driving or fun that you want to do. And that's the whole aim of owning one of these beautiful cars, isn't it? Is for the joy of the drive, the joy of the ownership, the camaraderie, being part of something that's really special. So for now, that's it. I'm Adrian Crawford. I'm saying please get in touch, irrespective of when these plans are for. Let us know and we'll help you make them a reality. It's Williams Crawford, Passion for Porsche, Walkabout Wednesday, and see you soon.